Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do long vowel sound of our vowel O. The sound is O. And we're going to do the family of words where we have a vowel O and the words end in E. Now this E tells us that vowel O is producing its long vowel O sound and not its short vowel O sound. And also the E in the end does not have any sound. The first word of today's family is going to be more. M sound. O. This is going to be O sound because of the E in the end. And now this O is not going to produce its O sound like short vowel sound. It's going to produce its long vowel O sound. So this becomes mo, and then alphabet R produces its R sound. More, and then you stop. More. I want more food. More. CH makes a sound of ch here. Ch or chore. Chore means your task, any work that you do. So this is ch, and this is going to produce, this O is going to produce its long vowel O sound because of the E in the end. Chore. Now if we don't write our E in the end, this is going to produce its short vowel O sound, which is going to be O. So this is going to be chore. Wrong. This has E in the end and it's going to produce its long vowel O sound. Chore. This is more and this is chore. Sh sound produced by our digraph SH. O sound produced by our long vowel O becomes shore. Shore. Shore of the beach. So this E again is helping us to tell that O is producing its long vowel O sound. Let's do more words from this family. The hard part that you feel in your body, bone. B-O becomes bo, and with n, bone, bone, and no sound of E. Again, C is producing a k sound here. O is going to produce its O sound, ko, and N produces n sound, cone, and stop, cone. Give me my ice cream cone, that cone. Let's do a blending word. So it's going to have ST with the sounds are going to blend. Stir sound, stir, stir, O, stow, and n, stone. More, chore, shore, bone, cone, and stone. Now let's do some sentences. Now before we move on to the sentences, we have an exception to the rule of O and E. Now we saw the words which had O and they're ending in E, and that E told us that the O is producing its long vowel O sound. And now there is an exception to this rule too. We have words which have same O-E combination but they do not have their long vowel O sound. We have covered those words before as sight words, love and come. Now let's do them one more time and see how their O is not producing its long vowel O sound. You remember how love is written? It has O, it has an E in the end. And in ideal cases, this E should be telling us that the O should produce its long vowel O sound. But no. Now O here produces its schwa sound, which is same as short vowel U sound, A sound. So this becomes L, A, V. And again, no sound of E. So this is love. On the similar lines, we had done the word come. If you follow the rule of O in the middle and E in the end, this should be comb, but that's not comb. This is come. Again, O is producing its sound, so it's come. And the new word here is none. None. Again, if you follow the rule, it should be known, but no, this is none. None of you will go. So nobody will go. None. These words are exceptions. Done. I have done my homework. Done. So this is D-O-N-E. It is confusing. It will take some time. That when we are reading, we might read it as done, but this is done. So this is love, come, none, and done. It's a statement starting with a capital, ending with a period. I don't remember if I have covered this, but if we follow the rule of E in the end and A in here, we should read it as have, but it is read as have. So maybe you can consider this as an exception too. So this is I have, short vowel A sound, have, I have done, the exception to the OE rule. I have done my chore. CH is making a sound of ch, the word we just did. So I have done my chore. Again, a statement. There, TH makes a sound of the here. There is a ho. The rule is being followed. E is telling us that O is producing its long vowel O sound. Hole. There is a hole in the cone. Cone, and you stop. E does not produce any sound. It is telling us that this O is producing its long vowel O sound. I have done my chore. There is a hole in the cone. And end of today's lesson. We are going to continue with long vowel O sound with more words which produce long vowel O. See you soon.